Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 17, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Ninth row, we have 417. The three numbers can't come in the two cells. It will come in another three cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row and 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 9 and 4. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Tenth row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row and 5th row, we have 4. Column F, column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers, 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 2. Fourth row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column P and fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. Sixth row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Second row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grid, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.